This 50-inch smart LED TV from MI comes with 4K Ultra HD resolution. The 4K UHD resolution offers clarity and details in pictures and lets you see rich colors even in dark scenes. The Vivid Picture Engine and HDR technology provide richer picture, better contrast and accurate color reproduction with sharp and crisp images even in dark scenes. This TV gives you a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is 8 to 15 feet. Enjoy smart and latest features with the Android 9 operating system. This TV is equipped with Amlogic Cortex A53 quad-core processor and Mali 450 GPU processor along with 2 GB RAM for fast and smooth performance. Download apps from the official Google Play Store to watch movies, TV shows and play games. With the built-in Chromecast feature, you can cast your phone screen onto your TV easily. The TV has 3 HDMI and 2 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, DVD player, gaming consoles, etc. Experience theater-like surround sound with the 20-watt Dolby speakers and DTS-HD. This TV comes with one tabletop stand, user manual, warranty card, remote control and power cable. The MI TV comes with standard brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.